Sarah is a stay-at-home mom. Luke is a full-time student. And Alex has a full-time job but needs extra cash to pay off bills. What do these three have in common? They all work from home on their own schedules. They don't have any special expertise, but they do know how to surf the web. How is this possible? With Instant Rewards. The work is easy, there's no experience needed, training is provided, and the pay is between $20 and $600 a day. Advertising has changed. No more sitting through commercials while watching your shows. Now, shows are recorded. You fast forward through commercials, and advertisers lose out. Our clients are Fortune 500 companies who recognize the shift in advertising, and they know if they don't jump on the e-ad highway, they'll get left behind. At Instant Rewards, we advertise our clients' products and services to consumers through online e-ads. Our carefully posted, pre-written e-ads and a series of IMN marketing websites direct customers to our Instant Rewards site. There, customers will find our clients' special offers. When they find something they like, they can click to give it a try. And our clients pay us every time a customer tries an offer. So, how do you make extra cash? First, copy a pre-written e-ad for a client from our website. Then, paste that ad on a site that we suggest. Finally, click it to send it out into the e-marketplace. When a person decides, yes, I want to try a free offer or offers, you get paid between $20 and $120. So if 5 customers click to complete offers, you get at least $100 and up to $600. To get started, just click Step 1 and join. Once you join, you'll be sent to the Instant Rewards site, the same site that consumers are directed to. Now, there's only one requirement to work with us. That's earning 1 full offer credit. You see, our clients expect all of us at Instant Rewards to experience this method of marketing. So you'll have to choose an offer or enough offers to get you that 1 full credit and complete them. You might be asked to verify your identity with a credit card, but you're not required to spend any money. You're just required to try these products or services. After completing an offer, you'll set up your IMN marketing website. Your website will appear in every ad you place. Then, complete your training where we'll show you how and where to post your e-ads to get the most consumer traffic. After that, you're ready to start placing your ads. And the more ads you place, the more money you make. There's no inventory, no fees, no telemarketing, no selling to friends and family, and no pyramids. Just copy, paste, send. Really, it's that simple. And get paid every day. So, click Step 1, join, and start making some extra cash today.